Welcome to one of the most ambitious and colossal construction projects ever undertaken in modern history, the magnificent Hong Kong International Airport. Situated entirely on massive stretches of reclaimed land, this pivotal global aviation hub operates tirelessly 24 hours a day, never pausing its critical activities. It serves as a massive international gateway and logistical powerhouse, consistently ranking as one of the world's absolute busiest cargo airports every single year since 1996. The sophisticated terminal infrastructure is meticulously designed to handle an immense volume of passengers, while ensuring seamless and efficient transport connections for everyone. Terminal 1 is the absolute heart of the operation, housing comprehensive dining options, extensive retail outlets, and 48 separate check-in counters for travelers. Connected directly to the mountainous Lantau Island, the airport is a critical economic engine that contributes significantly to the overall GDP of Hong Kong. More than 100 different international airlines operate here, connecting passengers to over 180 distinct cities across the entire globe. But long before this artificial island existed, this vast area was nothing but open, empty ocean water surrounding two small, rugged, mountainous islands. Let us go back to the very beginning to witness exactly how this engineering marvel was manufactured from the bottom of the sea upwards. Prior to the pivotal year of 1998, Hong Kong relied heavily on the dangerously congested Kai Tak Airport, which was perilously located right in the heart of the dense Kowloon City district. The old Kai Tak Airport had only a single runway and was severely limited by a lack of physical space and intense noise pollution issues affecting residents. To solve this critical infrastructure crisis, engineers proposed the radical idea of flattening two existing islands, Chek Lap Kok and Lam Chau. This original and monumental construction project, taking place between 1991 and 1998, cost the government over $20 billion to complete. It was a frantic race against time, effectively increasing Hong Kong's total land area by a staggering 1% in a single massive project. The process required moving unprecedented and astronomical amounts of earth and rock to create a 12.48 square kilometer stable platform. Over 347 million cubic meters of heavy material had to be blasted, moved, and repositioned to create the foundation. 225 separate construction contracts were issued to manage this logistical beast, requiring coordination on a scale never seen before. The original rugged islands were completely flattened, and the resulting material was immediately used to fill the surrounding sea to expand the land. This massive land reclamation effort created a solid, unwavering foundation for what would eventually become the world's largest single airport building. Once the land was finally settled and stable, the construction of the massive sprawling passenger terminal building began in earnest. The terminal building stretches an incredible 1.2 kilometers long, formed by a massive, intricate steel skeleton that defines its shape. It was specifically designed to withstand the most intense typhoons, featuring glass walls engineered to break safely under extreme wind pressure. Inside the vast structure, workers installed 2.5 kilometers of moving walkways to help passengers move quickly across the enormous distances. 94 separate lifts were installed to facilitate easy vertical movement throughout the various levels of this massive multi-story structure. Simultaneously, the spectacular Lantau link bridges were built to connect this new, isolated island directly to the main city infrastructure. The entire project was rushed at breakneck speed, completing in just 7 years what usually takes 20 years of normal construction time. The airport officially opened its doors in July 1998, marking a truly historic and transformative moment for the world of civil aviation. However, the very first day was unfortunately plagued by severe technical glitches within the complex flight information display systems. Vital cargo data was accidentally deleted from the mainframe, forcing staff to resort to manual processing and causing massive cascading delays. To keep up with the ever-growing demand, expansion continued with the addition of the Skypier ferry services to connect with the region. The North Satellite Concourse was subsequently added in 2010 to specifically handle the increasing traffic of smaller, narrow-body aircraft. In 2015, the Midfield Concourse began full operations, adding 20 more crucial parking stands to accommodate more flights. But the biggest and most significant change began in 2016 with the commencement of the massive 3-runway system expansion project. This massive expansion effort is officially known as Master Plan 2030 and involves the monumental task of reclaiming 650 hectares of land. The ultimate goal was to build a third runway and dramatically expand Terminal 2 to handle a capacity of 100 million passengers. Creating new stable land in this specific location required the use of advanced, state-of-the-art deep cement mixing technology. This innovative method strengthens the soft marine mud in place without dredging it up, thereby protecting the local marine life and water quality. Chinese engineers monitored every single step of the process to ensure the artificial island remains stable and safe for decades to come. To manage the inevitable soil settlement, special high-strength geotextiles were carefully laid between the concrete pileheads and the pavement layers. A 1-meter-thick cushion of pure sand was placed directly over the geotextiles to provide essential stability and drainage for the ground. The protective seawall was constructed first to shield the new reclamation area from the erosive forces of ocean waves and currents. Once the landmass was formed, the critical process of surcharging began to heavily compress the soil and squeeze out water. After months of waiting for the land to settle, the excess soil was carefully removed to finally reach the required airport ground level. Now the construction of the new, expansive 3.8-kilometer runway could finally begin on the newly created land. Multiple layers of high-grade asphalt are required to support the immense weight and impact of massive jumbo jets landing repeatedly. While the new runway was being built, the existing Terminal 2 began its own massive expansion and renovation process simultaneously. The expansion includes a brand new passenger concourse covering an impressive 280,000 square meters of floor space. A new high-speed automated baggage handling system was installed deep underground to move luggage faster than ever before. This sophisticated system ensures luggage moves seamlessly and accurately between the various terminals and the waiting aircraft without delay. The automated people mover train system was also significantly extended to connect the new concourse with the existing terminals. The third runway was officially commissioned and opened for business in November 2022, marking a major milestone for the project. With the third runway finally open, the original center runway was closed down to undergo necessary reconfiguration and maintenance work. Reconfiguring the center runway involves completely regrading the surface pavement and updating the airfield lighting to modern standards. The entire three-runway system project is scheduled for full and final completion in the year 2024, bringing the vision to life. This massive project also required building extensive new taxiways and additional aircraft parking stands to handle the increased traffic. The sheer scale of concrete used here is mind-boggling, enough to fill thousands of Olympic-sized swimming pools to the brim. Every single section of pavement is rigorously tested for maximum strength and long-term durability by teams of expert engineers. The airport also constructed a stunning new skybridge, effectively connecting Terminal 1 directly to the satellite concourse. This impressive bridge is raised 28 meters high, allowing a massive Airbus A380 to pass safely underneath it. The bridge features transparent glass floors, giving passengers a unique and thrilling view of the tarmac and aircraft below. It is the longest airside bridge of its kind in the entire world, spanning a total length of 200 meters across the taxiway. The airport's massive fuel farm was also significantly expanded to store much more aviation fuel to meet rising demand. Underground pipelines deliver fuel directly to the aircraft stands, which helps to significantly reduce the need for truck traffic on the apron. Environmental protection remained a top priority throughout the entire construction process to minimize the impact on nature. Dedicated marine parks were established nearby to compensate for the loss of dolphin habitat caused by the reclamation works. The airport design maximizes the use of natural light throughout the day to significantly reduce electricity consumption and carbon footprint. Advanced energy-efficient cooling systems are used to keep the massive interior volume comfortable for passengers even in summer. The airport employs a massive workforce of over 60,000 people to keep these complex systems running smoothly every day. The cargo terminal runs relentlessly 24/7, cementing its status as the world's busiest international freight facility. Advanced robotic arms are now used extensively in the warehouse to stack heavy cargo pallets with precision and speed. This high-level automation helps handle the millions of tons of freight that pass through this global hub annually. The airport acts as a major focus city for major carriers like Air China and China Eastern, facilitating their global reach. It serves as the primary operational hub for Cathay Pacific, which stands as a global symbol of Hong Kong aviation excellence. The expansion allows for much more efficient air traffic management in the region, reducing delays and increasing safety. The new air traffic control tower stands tall over the facility, overseeing the complex and busy 3-runway operations. Inside the tower, highly trained controllers manage over 100 flights per hour with absolute precision and focus. That is essentially one flight taking off or landing on the runways every single 36 seconds, around the clock. Safety systems are incredibly rigorous, with fully equipped fire stations located at strategic points across the airfield. The airport also features a dedicated world-class center for comprehensive aircraft maintenance and heavy repair work. Large hangars can accommodate multiple massive jumbo jets simultaneously for service, inspection, and overhaul. The sheer amount of steel used in the terminal roof weighs thousands of tons, creating a structure of immense strength. Cleaning the vast glass exterior is a constant, never-ending process done by specialized teams suspended high above the ground. The baggage system stretches for kilometers underground, creating a complex labyrinth of high-speed belts and intelligent sorters. Security scanning utilizes the very latest 3D imaging technology to ensure the absolute safety of every passenger and flight. The airport's electrical grid is robust and powerful enough to power a small city, ensuring all systems stay online. Massive backup generators ensure that critical operations never stop, even during the event of a total external power cut. Sophisticated water management systems collect and treat wastewater from the island to prevent environmental contamination. Rainwater is captured and recycled for irrigation and cleaning purposes to save valuable freshwater resources. The landscaping involves thousands of trees and shrubs planted to green the artificial island and improve its aesthetics. Connectivity is key, with the Sky Pier connecting passengers directly to the cities of the Greater Bay Area via high-speed ferry. The on-site airport hotels provide immediate, convenient accommodation for transit passengers and flight crews needing rest. Asia World Expo is located nearby, perfectly integrating large-scale business events with convenient international travel options. The economic value generated here amounts to a staggering sum of over $30 billion annually for the region. This massive figure represents more than 10% of Hong Kong's total GDP, proving its economic importance. The 3-runway system expansion will generate thousands of new direct jobs by the year 2030, boosting the local economy. It secures Hong Kong's position as a premier international aviation hub for decades to come in a competitive market. The project faced significant geotechnical challenges due to the unpredictable nature of the soft seabed mud beneath. Engineers use special non-dredge methods to solve this complex problem, ensuring stability without harming the delicate ocean ecosystem. The pavement structure is expertly designed to last for decades under heavy load and constant traffic without cracking. Regular maintenance crews inspect the runways every single night to ensure they remain in perfect condition for safety. Rubber deposits left from landing aircraft tires are periodically removed from the asphalt using high-pressure water blasting. The complex lighting system comprises thousands of individual LED airfield lights that guide pilots safely in the dark. Advanced navigation aids help pilots land safely and accurately, even in conditions of low visibility or heavy fog. The airport operates just like a small, self-contained city, with its own dedicated police force and emergency medical teams. Every single aspect of the construction was meticulously planned to maximize efficiency and minimize wasted time and resources. The terminal roof design is modular, which allows for easy future expansion if the airport needs to grow further. The check-in islands are designed for quick passenger flow, reducing queues and making the process smoother for everyone. Self-service kiosks and automated bag drops are significantly reducing wait times and modernizing the passenger experience. As the massive 3-runway system nears full completion, the overall capacity of the airport will skyrocket to new heights. The airport will soon be able to handle over 600,000 flight movements per year, a truly staggering number. This entire facility is a testament to the incredible power of modern engineering and complex construction techniques. From a flat, open ocean to a bustling city of aviation, the transformation of this site is absolute and total. Hong Kong International Airport remains a vital artery for global trade, keeping the supply chains of the world moving. It connects east and west, bringing diverse cultures and powerful economies together in one central location. The construction process utilized here sets a new benchmark for how airports should be built worldwide in the future. It is a true masterpiece of steel, glass, and concrete, fueled by sheer human determination and ingenuity. This is the incredible story of how Hong Kong built its magnificent gateway to the rest of the world. The Hong Kong International Airport project is truly an engineering marvel that will stand the test of time.